Ja. Ja. Ja.
Ta med de andra. Ja.
Good morning, squad, and welcome to another video. So we are out here on a walk right now, just getting the day started. It's kind of cold out here, to be honest with you, but I'm not really gonna get into that. We are heading back right now, and today is New Year's, so we have people coming and we're gonna shoot off fireworks and stuff. It's gonna be really lit, and I'll take you guys with me for the journey. So I did end up missing a couple days of the vlog this week. I can explain all that. So we didn't do much this week at all. We played cards, we did some other stuff, we had people over, and I figured I'd rather hang out with people and just play cards and not have to film that, because that would kind of get boring for the vlog if all we were doing was playing cards. So back to the normal schedule once again. We are heading home tomorrow, which is kind of sad, but you know, that's how it goes. But anyways, we're like 7 minutes away from the house right now. Yeah, something like, or a 7-minute run, so maybe like 12 minutes from the house right now, I guess. But anyways, guys, tonight it's gonna be super lit. We are gonna be shooting off a lot of freaking fireworks. Like, when I say a lot, I mean there's gonna be a lot of fireworks, so prepare yourselves.
What you making, Mom?
Krabbelörer.
No, I shall not wait. There is no such word. I'm scared.
Kolla! I don't know where else to put it.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Alright guys, I'm gonna get some sleep. I will see you guys in the morning where we are traveling back home. And it is morning. We are now heading out. My voice is all messed up right now. Don't really know what's going on, but we are heading out and oh, hello. Make a screenshot face. Oh. But anyways guys, we are heading out, so oh my god, my voice is cracking like crazy. Holy shit.
My name is Frank.
Alright, we have how long to catch the train?
Catch your balls, hurry.
Let's see, 6 minutes.
We have 6 minutes to catch the train.
Unload the car.
I'll see you guys
We're not there
hopefully
yet.
on the train.
Okay, so
We made it.
On the train.
That's cool. finally got a security shot. Through security, now we have to go where? Where we have to go?
This way.
What gate?
We don't have a gate yet.
We don't?
No.
No gate.
Able to leave on time, we ask all passengers to step out of the aisle and take your seat as quickly as possible. Thank you very much.
Grazie, amo per la sua attenzione.
I missed it.
Remind you that smoking is prohibited on board this aircraft. Seatbelt fasten whenever you are seated.
Appel strudel, ja?
Alright, got a little bit of work done. We're landing in like 30 minutes, and we have a connecting flight in 50 minutes. So, should make it. Yeah.
Ihr Handgepäck sollte wieder in der Gepäckablage oder unter dem Fahrersitz verstaut sein. Bitte stellen Sie Ihre Sitzlehne senkrecht und klappen Sie Ihren Tisch zurück. Geräte mit Rautos der Datenübermittlung müssen immer noch entweder im Flugmodus oder vollständig ausgeschaltet sein. Besten Dank. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be preparing the cabin for the landing shortly, so please return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt. Your hand luggage must be stowed away safely in the overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. Please also make sure that all mobile phones and other wireless transmitting devices are either set to flight mode or completely switched off. Thank you.
Our flight is boarding. The shuttle is coming in like 30 seconds. I'm gonna run. Almost there. Definitely gonna like not miss the flight. Maybe.
Cabin pressure is lost. Oxygen masks will be released automatically.
Alright, we're going Casey Neistat style. Heads in review. So far, thumbs down. I can't control the TV. Still not working. Maybe it'll work now. Nope, now I'm frozen here.